Hi, this is William Knoll, and this video is to introduce you to Paykickstart, a new affiliate management software put out by Mark Thompson. So let's get started. First thing I'd like to say, I've been an affiliate for Mark for some time. One reason I'm confident in doing this particular video is because I use his products, and I've had good success with them, and he has stellar customer support. If you're not familiar with this particular project, the quick overview would be that it is an affiliate management tool similar to JVZoo, ClickBank, ThriveCart, ClickFunnels, where you can sell your products, physical, digital services, whatnot. You can sell smarter, easier, faster, and even sell more when you use Paykickstart. Grow your business globally. You can manage your affiliates from your mobile phone and other features, as we'll see shortly. Even tracking your commissions and things like that, you will be able to do with Paykickstart. As I said, you'll be able to sell digital products, physical goods, services in literally minutes. Easy to set up. There's a one-time payment option as well as subscription options. You can have free and paid trials, upgrade, downgrade the membership levels. You even get a 14-day trial during the launch. I can't say how long that will be in place, so I would jump on it now if you want to give it a shot. There are several different pre-made templates for your checkout, widgets, and forms. Of course, it's integrated with players such as GetResponse, Aweber, and others. Let's start by talking about affiliates. If you're familiar with JVZoo and ClickBank especially, that's where people will put up a product, an ebook, a video course, and pay people to promote it to their list, to put it on YouTube. People are cookied with an affiliate link, and if they buy from that affiliate link, of course the affiliate gets paid. Well, Paykickstart does the same as the others that I mentioned earlier, but I believe they're going to be able to do it much better. Mark has told us that he's been using the system for quite a while and has documented over $10 million in sales on this platform. From Paykickstart, you'll be able to track and manage affiliates and partners' commissions. You can offer instant payment as well as delayed payment if it's a new affiliate. You can also offer per campaign and lifetime commission tracking if you do have the one-time as well as residual products to sell. There are two-tier commission options as well, and that is if an affiliate signs up an affiliate, Paykickstart is able to track that second tier commission so that your affiliate doesn't have to worry about paying out that money. Of course, there are branded affiliate tracking links, a complete marketing portal, which brings me to the next point, the conversion booster. This is one that I'm pretty stoked about in that, Paykickstart puts everything on autopilot. It makes it much easier for product creators to focus on what they do best instead of trying to run an office. One-click upsells, it's integrated with PayPal as well as major credit cards. One-click order bumps at checkout, subscribers, subscription savers, notification if there's a failed billing, so the seller doesn't have to go back and tell someone, oh, your card didn't go through, try again. It's done automatically. So once again, the product creator or affiliate manager does not have to babysit orders. Paykickstart will do that for you. Pending order notification for abandoned orders. If someone starts an order and gets distracted, or perhaps their internet has a hiccup, Paykickstart will notify them, hey, it didn't go through, let's do this again. You can create coupons, which is huge, promotional codes that can be applied at checkout, so that if someone's in the process of buying something and they have your coupon or promotional code, of course they can receive a discount. So you can actually promote the promotional code and get people to buy. Let's talk about support. And again, as I said in the introduction, I've worked with Mark for quite a while and have had the opportunity to work with his support team, and I have nothing but praise for it. No problems from my end. They're responsive, and I guess I can tell you a little bit more about it. This slide just says that this is a global tool. Though Mark is based in the US, he and many of us sell worldwide, so it is global. It is in 32 different languages, or 32 different currencies, 12 different languages. The sales and EU VAT tax is already in place. There is a real-time currency exchange calculator built into Paykickstart, and I think that's huge also, in that I know of an affiliate who had one that was static. By that I mean the exchange calculator, and he ended up losing quite a bit of money because the currency rate fluctuated, and he was trying to serve as the affiliate manager. Ended up losing a lot of money, so it was kind of a horror story for him. But if he had Paykickstart, of course, he wouldn't have to worry about that. Business intelligence is another huge one for me. The reporting, I like to see where my money's coming from as well as where it's going. I like to know my advertising dollars are working for me, but I also like to know which affiliates are working for me. So the business intelligence is a big one for me. No setup for the analytics. It's all done for you. The metrics, the traffic, the conversion, the funnel metrics, everything is in place right now. And as I said earlier, it's already integrated with Aweber, GetResponse, PayPal, and the others that you see on the screen, plus many more, but these are some of the big boys that people recognize. Oh, and I did not mention that it is webinar integrated, so that you can have a free or paid webinar and collect funds beforehand, afterwards, all from Paykickstart. Cool, huh? You can seamlessly connect this application and service with many of the tools that you're already using. The learning curve is not steep, and again, you have the onboarding process with support that will virtually hold your hand. I don't mean they're going to come to your office and do it for you, but digitally hold your hand and make the onboarding process as easy as possible. There are payment integrations, email marketing integration, webinar integration, membership integrations, fulfillment integration, of course, with Zapier integration as well. Now, what makes Paykickstart different? What separates us from other platforms that are in place? No additional per transaction fee. If you've been selling online any length of time, you know that whether it's a flat dollar rate or a percentage or however you want to sell it, those fees add up. I received a payment from India, and it was sizable, but $40 was taken out in fees just for this transaction. With Paykickstart, folks, you don't have to worry about the per transaction fee. So go back and do some math and see how much money you have paid in transaction fees, and you could probably pay for a year of Paykickstart pretty easily. You can add unlimited products and sales funnels to Paykickstart. You can also have, or you will also have, complete control and flexibility. If you need to change something, I believe most people will be able to do it by themselves, but if you run into any trouble, just get a hold of Mark's staff and they will help you all along the way. As I mentioned earlier, zero coding, so even if you are a newbie just dipping your toe into the digital marketing world, don't worry about the coding side of it. Make a good product or service, put it on Paykickstart, and sell your product, sell your service. As was mentioned earlier, there is a well-tested onboarding process, full support that will be able to help you get started, as well as if you run into any problems along the way, just get a hold of Mark's crew. You can access your account anytime, anywhere on your mobile device. This is a big one too, whether it's a phone, a tablet, a laptop. We're on the go. We don't always have the luxury to sit at a desk. So even if you're traveling the world or just traveling around town, you can keep up with your sales or what your affiliates are doing, communicate with the dashboard via your mobile device. Now, there are several different plans, so if you cannot afford to pay for a year at a time, don't worry. Each plan will get first-class support. Mark guarantees it, and that's been my experience as well. You will have email as well as live chat and a 99.99% uptime guarantee. And this is one that I think is often overlooked. I've run into problems with products that I've purchased in the past, and the product worked great when it worked. Maybe they had the wrong host, or maybe they just didn't code it correctly. But with Mark's products, he has stellar service, but also his products always work. I've never had anyone come back and tell me, hey William, I can't access what you sold me, I can't use it. So I think that's a big one as well, something for you to consider. Never lose a sale because of a slow server or downtime, kind of what I was saying earlier. So that even during the launch, Mark has alpha tested this thing through the wazoo. So even during the launch, I don't foresee any problems with people getting on board and purchasing the product, and then afterwards being able to use it. I know I've purchased products during a launch, and the launch manager was so busy with the new sales that they forgot about the old sales, i.e. me. So I don't think there'll be problems with that. And there are no additional fees, as was stated earlier. So you'll be able to make more money and keep more of the money that you make. Today you can get started for free. There is a 14-day trial. I cannot say how long that's going to last. No, this is not false scarcity. It's just a reality. At the time of this recording, Mark is offering a free 14-day trial. So I would just encourage you to give it a shot. There's no obligation. You can cancel anytime. Again, if you have any problems or questions, get a hold of Mark's crew. He will answer your question and get you taken care of. So that is my presentation for Paykickstart. Right now, I would say go get on board and give it a try. Go to getpaykickstart.net, get signed up, and enjoy. Thanks.